Всем привет! Вот и закончил я долгожданный ремонт Мерседеса. Смотрим.
But I wanna get you to try being creative on canvas. Just to take your time and sit down, have nothing in mind when you start. Just have a good feeling and be happy and in love with life and the world and sit down and begin playing. And if you feel good about yourself and the world, it'll show in your painting and all these little things will happen. If you happen to get some of it down in here, who cares? We'll end up turning that into...
Получилось, на мой взгляд, довольно-таки неплохо. Пишите комменты, кто что думает по этому поводу, ставьте лайки и подписывайтесь на канал.
Stop, gotta eat, stepping on my feet, spread love, make it sweet, you cats don't know where. Stop, gotta eat, stepping on my feet, spread love, make it sweet, you cats don't know where. Stop, gotta eat, stepping on my feet, spread love, make it sweet, you cats don't know where. Stop, gotta eat, stepping